hell he doing? Oh, he playing with that little dude. Let me tell him where the food at. Oh, out there the dragway, they done switched it up a little bit. It do look nice out here. Hey Q, you want something to eat? You gotta go right there.
Oh yeah, you can look at the register.
Yeah, they already ready. Everything ready, the links and everything. All you gotta do is navigate that way. Okay. Don't get back in the car with me talking about you hungry. I ain't listening. Huh? Oh, I seen it. What's up, man? What's the deal? Oh, damn, they got Moo Moo here too? What's the deal, man? I'm trying to see what we gonna do, man. Carlos almost hurt the car. It scared me a little bit. Yeah, me too, man. It scared me. I was trying to enjoy my rib. Couldn't even almost choke. Yeah, man. Oh, shit. I started grabbing the camera. I'm finna see what Moo Moo talking about. Moo Moo! Hold on, man. What you got over here? Oh, Quan here too? What's up with it? What you get, man? Oh, there. I see you. Basics, you know. He stayed with the basics. They probably ran out of the other.
He just short telling you that's how good the track is.
Oh yeah. Track
yeah, it's cool. You know, it's fucking out Turnout Racing at another event.
Good links, man. You hear me?
Good links.
When you cut the camera off, I need to talk to you.
Gotcha.
Yeah, tell him.
Look out racing.
Yeah, they say fuck out Turnout ain't no races though.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
What out Turnout?
Finna do something. Oh, they got the trailer. They got the trailer getting ready. Yeah, I'm finna go tell them. I give them a 10.
Give them a 10.
They had everything. I'm coming back with the verdict. I give y'all a 10, miss. I give y'all a 10. You got reasons for the 10. The reason that somebody over there was in the stands asked me, why you give them a 10? I said, man, I gave y'all a 10 on the food.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was good. You can't get a 10 nasty, I'll tell you that. I know how to tell the truth.
What's the beans? Okay.
Y'all had the beans, the potato salad, the beans had the meat in it. Y'all had the hot links. Y'all had the ribs. The ribs was good. Well, I like them ribs. Oh, you not ate once? Damn.
What you gonna get, a rib? Oh shit. You gonna make me fat. You gonna make me look like your brother.
Lord. That ain't good. Watch yourself.
My bad.
That's next. Now they said that I was giving y'all a 10 to get something else, but I'm gonna wait.
No, you come on.
Nah, I ain't ready, miss. Cause I was really getting full. I enjoyed myself. My son say he coming.
Okay.
Yeah, say that piece for me.
Okay.
Yeah, he ain't want it. Don't worry about it. That little side piece right there. That's all I be needing. Little old. I ain't.
You want me to let it get hot?
Yeah, you can leave it right there. Let them hot. I'm gonna come back burnt. If mine, that last piece looked like it was burnt. When I peeled it off, I said, "Ooh, they did that." I had put that barbecue sauce on it. It was hitting. Y'all made that sauce or that Sweet Baby Ray?
Sweet Baby Ray.
Yeah, I knew it was something. So they got the right stuff, y'all.
Oh no, he said he's coming back.
Yeah, I'm coming back. I can't. I need to let mine digest. I need to let it digest for a second.
Hey. You better don't get back up there. You know who I'm talking to you? Stop. Be still. Chill out.
I don't want kids.
Oh, she don't?
I'm gonna let her whoop
Come on
you.
back. Get over here and get that food. Get over here and get that food.
Oh, get over
I
there.
ain't scared of nobody shorter than
You
me.
better watch.
Oh, she ain't scared of nobody shorter than me. I ain't scared of. You weigh less than me. I ain't scared of you. Give me a napkin. That's all I need. That's all I. Is he talking back? Wait a minute. She's,
Eddie keep going. He'll find out fat meat green. Look, just run.
Rob, one time that's making you hungry. Man, I'm gonna wait for him, wait around a little minute. I'm gonna get that extra rib they got for me, man. That's all I need. I'm gonna be happy. Let me see. Let me find out who else. Oh, y'all getting hungry? Let me get away from there, y'all. Let me get away from there. Let that little piece of rib I got on the grill marinate. Y'all, oh, there you call it Mamacita?
Yes, sir. Mamacita.
Already. Oh, Rob, one time, appreciate the sub, man. He just came through. I ain't even fully understood what all the subs and everything. I kinda got everything, but I ain't, you know, I ain't really did all the research. Hey, look out, you know what they say to get that rubber off the back, right?
What?
WD-40.
WD-40.
Yeah. Okay, you can get some WD-40 and wipe it off, and then when it get clean, once you get it clean, yes, come back and get some pledge. You know the pledge that you wipe on your table for the wood?
Yeah.
They say you put that, spray that pledge on there, and then the next time it come back, it'll just slide right off with that pledge. Cause that pledge so slick,
yeah,
it'll just slide right off, man. I done seen that I could get that WD-40 and get that off.
Okay.
Yeah, so come through, get your WD-40, rub it off. For what's on there gonna take a little minute.
Yeah, cause it's on your
yeah, it ain't that bad. I've seen way worse. You gonna be there about 5 minutes. And then after that, you spray that mud with that pledge, and then
about right here.
Yeah,
okay,
and just spray it, and go on handle your business. When you finish, you just get a towel and all of it right off.
Leave the pledge on, don't you?
Yeah, leave the pledge on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I sure appreciate it.
Already, man. I want you to keep it clean.
Yeah.
It be clean. It be clean. Is that somebody that crunk up? I don't want to miss no racing. Okay, the real car, y'all. That's the name of it. We got this real car. Okay.